All right, I don't know if the wind's blowing out there, but it's definitely blown in Matt Safino. We haven't been this close ever. It's nice to see you in person.
Yeah, right? Yeah, no.
The 11 o'clock trio.
Yeah, it's good to be back in kind of the normal setup. So it's good to do that for sure. Hey, rain is back, and it's actually beginning to move out a little bit too. But we'll take you up to the mountain. We'll start there because it is snowing at Timberline. It's a fairly heavy, wet snow. You might call it Cascade concrete. You might. 31 degrees and snowing, so we're right on the edge, but there's been 4 inches. Look at it this way. It's got a high water content. That's what we want as we go into the warm season here to build up that snowpack, right? You can see the steady band is moving into the Cascades. Behind it, though, showers already filling in, so we're not done with the rain. There will be frequent showers during the day tomorrow, but the real steady precipitation now moving on up into the Cascades. I'll show you what's coming behind that in just a minute. So we've gotten up to 1,600ths of an inch for Vancouver and Portland, 1,900ths in Hillsborough, McMinnville, 3,500ths of an inch, Astoria, nearly half an inch, and up on the Olympic Peninsula, places like Quileute, Forks, 2 inches of rain. So it's really come down hard up that way. Okay, spring equinox is on Sunday. This is the last week of winter. So spring begins 8:33 in the morning on Sunday. But here's a word you may not have heard of, spring equilux. How about that? The equilux happens to fall on St. Patrick's Day this year. That is the day when you have equal daylight, equal nighttime. You would think it happens on the equinox, but because of the Earth's atmosphere refracting the time of sunrise and sunset, it's off a little bit. So that day happens on March 17 this year. So mark your calendar for spring equilux if you're so inclined. Hey, the Ides of March is tomorrow. But you know what? In spite of the fact that Julius Caesar was murdered by 60 senators on that date, it really doesn't have a negative connotation. Wow. Historically, it just means it's the date of the first new moon of the month, which this month actually happened back on the 2nd of March. But tomorrow is the 15th, the historical Ides of March, if you will. 55 was our high today in Portland. Down in Southern Oregon, we had some 60s, 60 at Pendleton, 61 in Redmond and in Bend this afternoon. So here's the steady rain band, but look, there's a solid cloud line still offshore. That little notch moved on in, little area low pressure. So we still have to get through some steady rain. Then it will transition to showers during the day, and there's still a good feed of moisture from the tropics with this system. So still some decent rainfall to come. And modeling bears that out. Then as we go into Wednesday, though, it really dies off. I think a couple of showers late Wednesday, a couple of showers late Thursday. That's the Thursday system. That falls apart. Not much to it. Friday night and Saturday, though, that'll be a good soaker and some good mountain snowfall coming again at that time. We can do very well in March, even April, with our Cascade snowpack. So we're not done building it just yet. And then next week, I think we'll get some dry weather, although there are some indications that Monday will turn wet. Right now, I'm going to try to keep that one dry. Rainfall going forward, another 1/3 of an inch for Portland, another inch or so up in the Cascades. So again, some healthy rainfall amounts. As we go through the middle part of the week, just enough high pressure to dry us out. Then this system comes in Saturday and Sunday. That will drop the snow level down to 1,000 feet as we begin the new season. So Mother Nature is just reminding us, not done with you yet. Still some cold weather yet to go. 48 degrees in Portland, freezing level 5,900 feet, but it is dropping. On the Oregon coast, rain tonight and then showers tomorrow. Some gusty winds around the showers. There's even a slight chance of a thunderstorm there and in the valleys. Not a very good one, but there is a slight chance for that, so I threw it in. Highs will be in the 50s, lows in the upper 40s. Up in the Cascades, another 4 inches of snow. We had about a foot over the weekend, 4 inches so far tonight, and then another 4 inches tomorrow. So again, we are adding to our snowpack. Morning showers, and then the sun bursts out. Eastern Oregon, it's going to be a nice afternoon for you. In the Gorge, morning showers and possibly a thunderstorm. And same for Portland. We've got the showers and maybe a thunderstorm tomorrow. Not a big chance of that. Just a few showers late Wednesday and then some rain late Thursday on St. Patrick's Day, also the day of equilux. And then we go into the weekend with the rain, but Sunday has chances of having some better weather as we start the new season, guys.
You know, equilux on the 17th should be spelled L-U-C-K-S.
Equal
parts of luck.
Brilliant.
Good one, Laurel. Brilliant.
That's pretty odd, and still to come, this odd holiday that created this long line outside a local bakery.